Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and keep watching and let's see what I have in store for us today. All right, you guys, this is a palette that I bought a while ago. I have a short on my channel with it and it has blown up. So I'm hoping that means this video will do well. So this is and also this is like, if I had to pick like one of the best like $10 palettes, this would be it. This is the Revolution, the Enchanted Icon palette. I've used it quite a bit. That's why there's so many fingerprints all over it. Let me get this opened up. You guys, the quality in this palette is insane. It is so good. It kind of got pushed aside in one of my totes. So I kind of misplaced it for a minute. And I kept like, every time I look at my like results on YouTube, because if you're a YouTuber, you know they have like this thing called YouTube Studio and it shows you whatever's doing the best. And yeah, the short I filmed just with this palette is, let me see if I can find it. Now it probably won't show up, but I'm just curious now, so just give me a second. This palette has, the short that I filmed with just this palette has 6.9 thousand views. I don't have anything on my channel with that many views. And then I have another palette in this line, and that one has 2.3 thousand. So I'll need to find that palette and do a video for it as well. But you guys, this is amazing. Also, let's throw something on the lips. This is the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil in the shade Divine Wine. The lips need some moisturization. Okay, that just feels so good. If you have dry lips, you need this. Okay, I'll probably do, for time's sake, because I'm running late and my live is supposed to start in 45 minutes. Probably do the same look just for time's sake, and I need to adjust this. Okay, so I can see what I'm doing. Yeah. All right, let's get started. And we're gonna do a simple look. We're gonna do a simple look. These first two shades right here and up here, they're cream shades. So that's why there's a little plastic thing over it to protect them. All right, let's start with this shade right here. Alright, you guys, so it's Sunday. The Sunday scaries are starting. We know I hate Sunday because that means that my freedom is gone. And I like my time off. I like my getting to be a human and not be constantly overwhelmed time. I need more of that in my life. I feel like I just got my bangs trimmed and I'm like, dang, need another trim. I also need a dye job, so hopefully that'll be happening soon. Sometime in the next couple weeks. All right, now let's take let's do this shade right here. And again, there's not a whole lot of variety you can get out of this, but the looks that you do create are absolutely phenomenal. And you guys, just a little reminder, I have really been spending a lot of time on the clock app, if you know what I mean. I've just been enjoying it more. I don't know, I guess it's something new, and my reach is better. I'm growing faster over there, like most people seem to be doing. And I'm just gonna take this shade that we started with and put that on the lower lash line. And I don't know, I'm just enjoying it more, you know? I'll still be doing my lives here. And I know Tracy and I talked about trying to do like a live on the clock app. So I'm probably going to be hitting her up soon and just being like, hey, when could we maybe do this? Because I'd love to try it and see how it goes over there too. I mean, I love the lives that we have here, but like maybe if she would be free on like a Saturday or like Friday night, maybe we could do something on the clock app. All right, I'm gonna take this deeper, darker shade right here and just put that on the outer corner of the eye. If you guys hear that, I think it's a toilet. I need to go see what's going on. Like, the whole house is falling apart. Let me go check on that. I'll be right back. All right, now we're gonna take the glitter glue. I got like a lash hanging down or something. My absolute favorite shade in this palette is this like purple shimmer right here. It is absolutely phenomenal. So we're gonna use that. Can you see that? It is just so light and beautiful, and it turns to like a really cool like bluish shade. It's like a bluish purple. Oh, I love it. I'm telling you guys, for $10, you need to go out and buy. And honestly, I think I own almost every palette in this series, and they're all phenomenal. The one I don't have is the one that has like the greenish shades in it, but I have the more smoky one and the bronze one. You guys, every one is worth it. Like, I would literally buy every palette in this line. I think there's 4 of them, so it'd be 40 bucks, and you get 4 amazing palettes. You cannot beat that. You can't. I know a lot of people kind of like hate on Makeup Revolution or Revolution Beauty or whatever. I've never had a problem with them. I've only had amazing, amazing products. And I've tried several of their palettes, highlighters, bronzers, foundations. Like, I haven't gotten a bad product yet. And I'm telling you, these little palettes are so, so good. I mean, you see this. It's absolutely beautiful. All right, now for a lower inner corner highlight. Let's see. I almost dropped my palette. Let's do this really pretty pink shade right here. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go do a little bit of liner, some mascara, and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. Let's go on with the LA Girl Beauphoria highlight. I just need to get something on quick. My favorite moment. Oh. All right, you guys, let's do a little final look-see here. All right, and again, you guys, hands down the best $10 eyeshadow palette you can get right here. The Makeup Revolution, or Revolution Beauty, the Enchanted Icon Palette. Absolutely phenomenal. I am so impressed with the quality. I mean, $10. Like I said, I think there are 4 palettes in the True Icon line. I highly recommend all of them. There's one that I haven't tried, but I want to get my hands on it, and they all have the same amazing formula. So I know that it's good. I just need to pick it up. So that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new here, subscribe. Give this a thumbs up, and if you want to help me out, just comment something down below. Comment if you've tried this palette or any of the other 3 that are in this line. Just let me know, and remember that you're beautiful, loved, and amazing, and have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.